Hi, Dave out in western Pennsylvania on a beautiful, beautiful day, mid-70s, sunny, low humidity, and I'm doing field test number 4 on a gasoline substitute formula, fuel formulation. And at a distance you can see I'm doing preliminary field tests with a 25cc leaf blower engine before scaling up the larger engines. I do preliminary tests with these small engines, a 4-stroke overhead valve, and in this formulation, which I'll let you listen to, what we have is 250 milliliters of petroleum ether. That's natural gas or pentane plus. It's mostly pentanes and hexanes that you get from the wellhead. Natural gas, normal liquids. And in the industry, we sometimes call it skellysolve, petroleum ether. 250 milliliters. There's 100 milliliters of toluene, which is a byproduct of gasoline production. I've got 100 milliliters of alpha-pinene distilled from turpentine, just like Mr. Honda did when he started his motorcycles in Japan in 1946-47. And last but not least, 30 milliliters of alpha-terpineol. Alpha-terpineol is an alcohol which can be chemically prepared from alpha-pinene or limonene, and I have that in there as an oxidant, candidate oxidant. So I'll let you listen to this. Quick startup, running smoothly. I'm at full throttle, and this is a formula that I'll probably scale up and work with larger engines for hours. The engines that I'm using here, the leaf blower engines, were donated by MTD Southwest in Arizona. I'm indebted to them. And the turpentine spirits I get from the hardware store. And the alpha-pinene distills out at 1 atmosphere at 156, 157. I've noticed very little beta-pinene, which indicates that this commercial turpentine from Bar Chemicals in Tennessee, I think, is coming from dead trees. Now, most turpentine in our country, the United States, is coming from China. They have a massive industry, and when you have very little or no beta-pinene, for this fuel it does not really matter. That's a sign that you are getting it from dead trees. There's also a difference in the stereochemistry of the pinene, and one enantiomer, one mirror image non-superimposable is enriched from European pine versus the one from North American pine, but this is presumably Chinese, northern Chinese pine. And so far this formulation is running very, very well for small engines. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Bye now.